White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, subscribers. Chris from White Bulls here, and you guys have been asking for it. Today we're going to do a pork tenderloin. We already got the Traeger rocking at 225. We're going to go 225 until this thing reaches 100, and then we're going to bump it to about 275. It's going to keep it nice and juicy, but first we got to get this thing prepped. We got the Dow Strong ready to rock. We got an ugly membrane, which means that got to come off. We're going to season it, and it's going on the smoker. So let's do the damn thing. Smash that like and subscribe, and let's get it rocking. Let's go. Been about, I want to say 15 minutes. We're about to check this pork tenderloin. See what that internal temp's sitting at. Let's check it out. Speaking of flip, let me flip you over here. This is gonna be amazing. This is really the most tender piece of a pork that you can get outside of bacon if you're gonna render the living hell out of bacon. Or pulled pork if you're gonna cook that upwards of 10 hours, which go check in my videos. You can see me do that. But let me give you a nice look at this. About 140. We're gonna glaze it lightly with the sauce. This is edible at 145. I don't really trust pork that much, so I'm gonna take it to 150, but it should be juicy nonetheless. This is super easy, guys, super cheap, super cost effective, and super time effective. If you get home from work, you're not trying to do a 3-4 hour cook, this is right in your wheelhouse if you like pork, guys. So we're gonna come back in about 5 to 10 minutes, see where that temp's at, and it might be time to glaze it. Let's do the damn thing. All right, guys, so this is sitting at about 130 internal. It's done at 145. We're gonna start glazing it right now with some good old Traeger Apricot. It's the best sauce out there, not just because it's Traeger. Stuff is delicious. So let's do the damn thing. Alright guys, so this thing has reached 130 internal. We just glazed it with Apricot from Traeger. Best sauce out there. It's nice and sweet, got a little tang to it, perfect. Honestly, this thing has been rocking beautifully. It's 30 degrees out here today. You guys know I cook in Philly, I don't play games. Traeger has held its temperature phenomenally, as expected. We're rocking with the Pro 780 in case you didn't know. And we're probably about 10 minutes out on this cook. I just glazed it and we kicked it to 275, which I said we would. And that's gonna finish it out. Done deal. We'll see you guys in about 10 minutes. And then we're gonna cut this thing open and we're gonna devour it. It's simple, easy, awesome. Let's go. Hit that like and subscribe, baby. The best damn barbecue ever. So it's been about an hour and a half cook. We were rolling at 225, and then the last couple minutes we were cranking it to 275 on a beautiful Pro 780. Look at that beauty right there. We're about to take that inside, give it a 5-minute rest. Let it just rest a little bit, guys, before you slice it. I don't care how hungry you are, it goes a super far way. So we're gonna slice it, and then I'm gonna tell you guys, obviously right now, hit that like and subscribe. Comment below what you wanna see from now on. And do you guys like this vlog style? Cause I like it. I just want you guys to like it so I can continue to do it. Let's get this inside, let's slice it up. I'm gonna hit you with that vid now, and I'll see you next time. The best damn barbecue ever.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.